Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, our today's topic is fallow land. Fallow land in geography means that area, the lands which were taken up for cultivation but are temporary out of cultivation for a period of not less than 1 year. सिंपली आप प्यारे बच्चों ऐसे समझ लो, खेत की फर्टिलिटी जो होती है ये कम हो जाती है. हमारे पास ऐसी ज़मीन भी होती है जो एक बार जिसको हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं कल्टीवेशन के लिए, इसमें जो कुछ हम उगाते हैं फिर अगले साल इसको बेकार छोड़ देते हैं ताकि ये अपनी फर्टिलिटी दोबारा मेंटेन कर ले. जब हम नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर इसको दोबारा कल्टीवेट करते हैं, तो ऐसी ज़मीन को फॉलो लैंड जियोग्राफी में कहते हैं. कम से कम ये ऐसी ज़मीन को 1 साल के लिए बेकार छोड़ दिया जाता है. कभी कभार 2, 3, 4, 5 साल तक भी छोड़ दिया जाता है, तब जाके उसकी अच्छी सी मतलब फर्टिलिटी बढ़ जाती है, तो फिर इसमें अच्छी प्रोडक्शन होती है. And we have a lot of land of such type in India. At least we have 24.5 million hectares of fallow land. Reasons for keeping such land fallow is that we have inadequate water supply, or we have inability of farmers to cultivate such lands, because it take more and more these techniques. It take more and more these farmers. We have to expend a lot of money, the manure, the labor in such lands. So scarcity of water is the great cause for which it is to be left for cultivation. Similarly, low quality of soil, the land of this type, the fallow land, it has low quality of soil. It takes a lot of time to generate its fertility, to regain its fertility, so we can't use it continuously. Costly services and large distances of the land from the homestead. You might have seen the hilly areas, the Kariwa areas, which remain this Banjar through the years together, because it is out of reach from our homes, it is out of reach from our labor, and there is a scarcity of water. We have no water facility in such areas, and it is hard and too much tough to cultivate or to plough this land. So it is hard to get to conserve this land, to obtain production from this land. So it is very difficult. Costly services and large distances of the land from the home. Similarly, setting of rivers and canals. Silting of rivers and canals. These we have no water channels there. Similarly, there are some areas in the fallow land which are filled with large quantities of silt, the sand, the mortars, and the stones. That is why we can't remove this large quantity of mortars, stones, pebbles, and the sand from the such area. That is why it remains idle. It remains this deserted. It remains barren. for such reasons. Similarly, soil erosion is another cause through which this we can't grow any agricultural or any production in these fallow lands. सिंपली प्यारे बच्चों, हम देखते हैं कि वो ज़मीन जो जिसको हम जिसमें प्रोडक्शन हो सकती है, लेकिन उसमें हमें भारी नुकसान अदा करना पड़ता है। ये मतलब इसमें भारी मेहनत की ज़रूरत होती है, ये टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस होती है। तो इसलिए स्लोली हम जब इसको हम तैयार करते रहते हैं तो कम से कम इसमें साल 2 साल 3 साल लग जाते हैं सफाई करने में, पूरी तरह से इसको काबिल इस्तेमाल करने में। तब जाके इसमें फसल उगती है। जब तक ये मतलब साल 2 साल गुजर जाते हैं, तब ये मतलब ये 2 साल के बाद या 3 साल के बाद इसमें हम फसल उगाने के काबिल हो जाते हैं। ऐसी ज़मीन को फॉलो लैंड कहते हैं। So this was our today's topic. Let's go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.